Hello YouTube, Bushcraft Woods Devil here. Thought I would show you a new blade that I received as a Christmas gift from my family. This is a Rough Rider Bushcraft, Backwoods Bushcrafter is the name. It's a trapper pattern. I saw this a few months ago on the Smoky Mountain Knife Works page, and checked it out in their catalog, and I thought, wow, what an attractive knife. And I'd been thinking about it for a while, and then the holidays came up and my wife asked me what I'd like to have, and this was one of the items that I asked for. And these are very reasonably priced. I can't remember the price, but I think they're under $15. Nice classic trapper pattern knife. Copper bolsters, copper liners, copper pins. It has saw cut scales, amber bone. Very nicely done. Made in China, like a lot of things these days, most things. Copper shield on the side, which reads Rough Rider, always ready. Blackened blades with a half stop. Really nice. If it starts to close on you, it hopefully will stop in the half stop position. Being a trapper, it has two blades of equal length. You have a clip point, almost a California clip, and it has the dual match strike pulls in the blade. It's a blackened finish on the blades, which I like. It gives it a rustic, well-used look, like a patina. And then the other blade is a spay blade. Trappers have been around for a long time. I believe the pattern was introduced in about the 1920s. The name refers to the intended use, which was for trappers to use. This would be a great blade for processing small game or fur-bearing animals that one might trap. Very handy. A little big. It's the overall length opened is 7 inches. 7-inch open length, and closed is 4 inches. A little big for my pocket. I have tried carrying it around the pocket, and it just doesn't really appeal to me. The blades measure just a hair over 3 inches, which is really has become my favorite length for blades. I started out a big blade guy, big fixed blades, and then I started moving away from that and migrating back to shorter blades, and lately I've been migrating to just folders. But what I have found, the more you get out and practice wood skills and carving, the more you appreciate a small blade. Not that large blades don't have their place. Now, like I said, I don't really enjoy carrying this in the pocket. It's a little big for me. But what I do like to use a lot is I make my own little neck pouches. And I wear a knife in a neck pouch every day. Very convenient, very handy to have. At work, I carry a Swiss Army knife because I get splinters in my fingers. And I like to pick them out, or I have the toothpick. But this is how I like to carry my knives, is in a little self-made pouch around the neck. If it's smaller, yeah, you know, I'll carry it in a pocket. Today in the pocket, let's see. Today in the pocket I've got a little Barlow. And this little Barlow has a half stop. Now, trappers are a member of the jackknife family. 2 blades opening at one end. Now the Barlow is kind of more of a traditional jack because you'll have a main clip blade and then you'll have a spear or pin blade. And this is really kind of the traditional jack combination. But with the Trapper you have 2 blades of equal length. And you might have a spear point Trapper. I'm sure they've been made, but this one has the spay. So really a beautiful, beautiful knife. If you want a nice trail companion with some nostalgia to it, I can't think of a nicer, more attractive knife. This just... Oh, and it has the dimples in the bolsters. I mean, it's got a lot of nice touches. I've been doing some carving with it this morning. Carving some pegs. I'm going to make some coffee here in a minute. And I'll enjoy that over these green pegs that I've cut. So really a gorgeous knife, and you might want to check it out. Now they make several models. There is a Stockman. I believe they have a Stockman in the group, and I think maybe there is a couple of other models. You know, I got to be honest, I haven't paid close attention. What I would like to see is a Moose. Now Nesmith, the classic bushcrafter outdoorsman, his Holy Trinity of blades was a double bit axe, hand axe, and his Nesmith pattern sheath knife, and a large Moose folder. And I would really like to see a large Moose. This blade is a little fine for this kind of carving work. I mean, it will do it, and it's holding up just fine. There's no loosening or anything. And I didn't expect there would be. It's a really nice quality blade. But a large Moose would be my ideal for this kind of work. Or possibly a sow belly, which I think they do make one in this pattern. And a sow belly has a slightly larger blade. So there you have it. The Stockman, there's a video about the Stockman pattern of this line from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. It's on the Knife Chats with Tobias YouTube channel, and if you haven't checked his channel out, I would urge you to do so. The gentleman is very knowledgeable. He goes into great depth talking about different blades, patterns, and how that pattern came about. A lot of good information, and he profiles a lot of knives, so check that channel out if you get the chance. Knife Chats with Tobias. Really a good channel, well worth your time to visit. Okay, so there you have it. Rough Rider Backwoods Bushcrafter. Beautiful knife, and a worker too. So thanks for tuning in today, and we're just past the new year, a couple days. I want to wish you all a very happy new year, and I hope 2019 is a great year for you, so get outdoors and enjoy. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Bye.